It's time for another video focused on helping you to make 2023 even better than 2022. Stay tuned for this week's idea. This week I have a little story to share with you, and out of this story will come to life the idea. This is the story of two watches. There's the older watch and the new watch. I like them both, and they were both given to me by the same friend who has a great appreciation for watches, and so he will often gift watches to his close friends. So this is the first watch. He gave me this watch a few years ago, and I like it a lot because it's silver and has a blue face. That's my favorite style of watch, silver band, blue face. So I've worn this watch a lot over the years, almost every day. You may have even seen it on my wrist in some of the videos that I've made in the past. This is a very comfortable watch, feels good, looks good. I get compliments on it. I really appreciate this watch. However, earlier this year, he gave me a new watch, an even better watch. And that's this one. It's bigger. It's more expensive. It's a finer design. It has a special band. It has a back. I don't think you can really see the back because the band's probably in the way, but the back is clear, so you can actually see the mechanics of the watch as it operates through the back. It is a fine Swiss watch. To me, this watch represents the person that I become when I invest in myself and when I develop myself and grow to a better version of myself. So I have the old watch, which is very comfortable. It feels good to wear it, and I'm proud of it. But then I have the new watch, which I'm also proud of and really appreciate, which represents an elevated level of quality. Why do I share this story with you? Because I see myself now as the newer watch. Through this year, I've learned new things. I've invested in programs. I've read books. I've taken classes. And through this process, I've grown. That's the new watch, right? I'm the better version of myself. I'm not as comfortable with the new version, but I know it's better, and I need to push and use that new version. Here's the rub with the new watch. This watch, as fine as it is, as excellent as it is, it only works when you wear it and use it. Why is that? Because it's a self-winding watch, meaning that through motion, it winds itself and runs. The other watch is battery operated, so it runs whether I use it or not. It just sits on the shelf when I don't wear it, and it continues to operate. I think this is like you when you get better, when you develop yourself. It's not enough. You have to use the new knowledge. You have to apply the new knowledge. That's where the results come from, right? You may have heard that knowledge is power, and that may be true. But knowledge without action is power unrealized. It's power unactualized. How will you actually become the better version of yourself with the knowledge that you gain by investing in yourself to learn new things, new skills, new ideas, new insights? It's through application, it's through execution, it's through taking action. So if I don't wear the new watch, it will stop working and the time will be frozen. So here's my question for you in this week's idea. Are you frozen in time, or are you moving forward? Are you using that which you learn to better yourself and the lives of those around you by acting on your new knowledge? Let me know. Post in the comments below. that you're more than just a knowledge gathering machine, but you're also an application and execution machine. I'd love to hear that. Next week, I'll have a new video for you to help you make next year even better than this year. Until then, catch up on previous videos if you haven't watched those yet. And if you'd like to learn more about my coaching and training solutions, visit my website, buildandbalance.com. And please share these videos with others to help them make next year even better than this year. See you next time.